Haya, Bahashem, Yeshaya, Wawak. Greetings in the name of the Father, through the name of Christ and the Holy Spirit. The love is gone. It's gone, gone, gone. We gotta bring it back. Oh no. Tweeta Bird Benjimites, Yashrala, reaching out to the world.
Crazy world we're living in today. The most like children gone astray. When did we lose ourselves? When did we lose our conscience? When did we lose our minds? While we lost in touch from being mankind. Oh, I remember the days when love used to hail and rain. People never used to be afraid of their neighbors. But now today it's gone. It's gone, gone, gone. We got to plant the tree of love all over. Hope it didn't got too far away, to the point where there's no turning back. Cause it's gone, it's gone, gone, gone. Where did we lose that love? Where did we lose our inner feeling? While we stopped caring about each other, only the things that we're achieving. When did our mind got so bad that we can turn the other way? Why do we move so strange? Why we love to cause other people pain? Oh, I remember the days, oh, when friends and friends would say, oh, my homie, I got your back. And you will know that it's a fact. But now it's gone, it's gone, gone, gone. We got to plant the tree of love all over. Hope it didn't go too far away, to the point where there's no turning back. Cause it's gone, it's gone, gone, gone. Hey, hey, hey. Cause we are brothers and sisters spiritually. Come let us plant the tree of love and watch it gradually rose into the heart of man. Cause we are one family. For too long we separate and build a future upon hate. No, we don't trust each other, see the way we operate. Upper class, lower class, separation through fate. I can hardly see a smile, all I see is true face. There's no food for the poor and another day break. Cause it's gone, gone, gone.